Hey guys, if you seen this, I don't know what is going on. I don't know if you guys all. Ooh, you guys saw that.
Holy shit.
This is new. Ooh, but that light down there is go flickering. That ain't good. If you look over there, there was like a form, but you can't see it sadly. That's beautiful, but you guys probably can't see it because how dark it is. Let me check something, guys. Hold on. Yeah, my brightness is all the way up. Jeez.
They haven't facing the sky, dude. They should eventually get something.
You guys heard that.
Here it comes.
Here, what comes?
The weather.
Oh, shoot. I'm gonna have to get back on the porch, guys. This is freaky. If you guys wondering why, I've never seen this before. That's why I'm recording this. This is sweet. That's a car, sorry. You know what I thought this was one time, guys? I thought this was like God bowling. It was like a few years ago before I even had a channel. But that is freaky. Guys, this is.
Jay, you missed it.
No.
There's like 2 streets right there, bud.
No, it got it. I saw it.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
The face of the
I did it real fast.
Yeah, face it that way.
This is cool, guys. This has never happened.
You know, it'd be kind of cool if you got struck by lightning while you were doing your video.
And I lived.
Well, honey,
No.
99.9% of people get struck by lightning and live.
Oh my gosh, guys, you saw that. If I get struck by lightning,
I don't know what I'd do.
if I get struck,
It's not though.
if it does hit me, guys,
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep going, okay? This is freaky. If I get struck today, may God please keep me alive. This is scary. Guys, I might be able to do a Roblox, but I don't know how to figure that out. But that is cool. Let me go to my backyard.
You can't do anything back there.
Oh, jeez. That is freaky, guys. You guys saw that. It's going like shockwave to shockwave. These winds are tough, though. Ooh, this is cool. If anybody likes this, just give me thumbs up. This is cool. Some of you guys probably are seeing this right now,
Jay, why is it gonna give
but
you thumbs up?
this
Did you
is
get the
cool. If you guys want more of this, which is rare this happens, this is cool. Just tell me if you want me to do more videos like, oh crap, now it's raining.
store?
Well,
You didn't stand on the porch and do it.
now I can stay right here. That means I'm gonna get wet.
That's one way. You'll be one sad little boy.
Can you give me a jacket?
No! What are you doing? No, it's not gonna work. It would be funny if it turned into hail. Knocks you in the head.
Huh, that would be even worse.
It'd be kind of funny.
Ah, that's cold, guys. This is cold rain. Ah, this is cool. Oh, this rain is cold though. I can't get half of it, so I'm like standing in the rain trying to get you guys something. I'm now getting hit.
We have a 60% chance of a thunderstorm.
Now you tell me? Thank goodness.
It just came off now.
Give me a jacket or something. Give me an umbrella now.
Yeah.
Give me an umbrella now. It's pouring. Give me an umbrella.
Oh,
No.
you're a dummy who wants to stand out there with an umbrella. Good luck with that.
Shut up, phone.
Aw, dang. That window in the living room's open, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go check it.
This is cool. I'm standing with my shirt off. don't know if you guys are hearing this.